All right, we got these do not simplify examples again for product rule. So let me write down everything I have. F is 2x to the fifth plus x minus 1. So that's the first expression that we are multiplying, right? Now we're going to have to take the derivative of this. What's f prime? 10x to the fourth plus 1. Now let's do g. G is equal to 3x minus 2. So g prime is just 3. Now the derivative is going to be first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So let's put these together. First is that expression. So I'll say 2x to the fifth plus x minus 1. So that was this. Now I need to multiply this by g prime. And g prime is simply 3. So I'm just going to put it in front of this. Okay, I'll just put it right here. It's 3 right there. And then I'll do plus sign. And what's g? G is the original second piece of the multiplication. So I'll put that. 3x minus 2. And we're multiplying that by f prime, which is that blue expression. So I'll write that down. 10x to the fourth plus 1. So I have this 3 in front, but you know, they said don't simplify. I was about to distribute and FOIL and everything. But this is where we can stop because they said do not simplify. So that was a third example in product rule. Let's try another one down on that same page, okay? Some nasty looking expression that we're going to try to rewrite first, okay? So let's rewrite that first parenthesis where we have x squared, a square root of x plus 1. Write that as x to the 1/2 power plus 1. Because that's what square root is, right? Second parenthesis have cube root. So guess what? That is x to the 1/5 power. So rewrite anytime you have these root expressions. And then now we are ready to do the product rule. So f is x to the 1/2 power plus 1. That's the first piece of the multiplication, right? So if you take the derivative of that, that's going to give you half x to the negative 1/2. G is the second piece of multiplication. It's that right there. So write that down. X to the 1/5 power minus x. If I find the derivative of that, I will, my keyboard. G prime is going to be 1/5 coming down. And if I do 1/5 minus 1, what will that give us? Negative 4/5. And derivative of x is 1. Okay, that one was a little bit tricky. So let's do the product rule now. First times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. So what's that going to be? The first is this. Now, I guess you can put it back in square root form if you want to. I don't think I will. I'll just leave it the same. So there's my red. Okay. Now I'm multiplying this by g prime, which is right here. So I'll say that times 1/5 x to the negative 4/5 minus 1, close parenthesis. Let me go to the next line. Plus, what's next? G. Where's G? Oh, right here. I'm going to write that green piece. X to the 1/5 minus x. And I'm multiplying this by f prime, which is half x to the negative 1/2 power. And that's it. That is the derivative. Not simplified, because they said do not simplify.